What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 10 Speed Shay, and today we're gonna be quick drawing front of whip. Hopping out. We quick drawing. I got that long thing. Load up. That was better. It's that 17L. That motherfucker goes crazy. Bitch hot now. Love that bitch. So since we quick drawing from the whip today, I go buff. Stop playing. I'm gonna grab that big 17. That was trash. I ain't gonna lie, that was trash. I got something in my hands. It's overly long. Still no sight yet, because it ain't come in the mail yet. But we gonna quick draw out the whip with this thing still. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. What happened when your phone fall? Okay. Restart that joint. Oh my fucking gosh. Shit gonna piss me off, yo. Okay. But the quick draw from the whip. 16-inch. I don't know what happened in the last clip. But anyways, still ain't got no sight. Trick y'all. Hopped in the front, came out the back. Yeah, I was not ready for that one. Make sure I got two tracer rounds. Let's see what they look like in the light. Fucking damn. Draco. Trace around. And let's see what it look like. Hey, buff. Buff. Team with that 50. It's like a sticky situation. No jamming. Never jamming. Hopefully I don't shoot nothing on the table. See how far I can hit with no sights on this thing. Literally. No sights. But we gonna see. No sights on a 16-inch. I don't know how far back I was, but I might have hit some. Later when I watch, I know. I be seeing a lot of people, they be shooting, but let me hit no targets. So how that work? Claim to be a shooter, but you ain't never shot no targets or anything. Yeah. Damn. Y'all always saying, show your guns. I ain't showing all my guns. But y'all the FBI? Who the FBI? Cause I ain't. Can't show too much now. Y'all motherfucker trip. Excuse my language. Guess we just quick drawn out the whip. Got 7.62. I got an FRT in here, but it don't be running right. Don't know why. Put that bad boy on safety. That shit crazy. Oh my fucking gosh. That bitch was just hitting. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Drake's still my favorite gun. I'll never agree with that. It's what this beat. People say. When people say I don't got aim, I just show them this. I missed that one, but.
Few moments later.
Drake with that 40 on it. Long jit. No sights. I'm not aiming to hit shit. We got two 17s, 17L, maybe 17. Let's go. Yes, sir. We don't do jamming.